Hello and welcome to Carl Farm. It's a lovely fall afternoon here on the farm, and today we're going a little fancy because we're making scones or scones if you prefer. Now, I come from a rich tradition of high tea and scones on Sundays, and there are different ways of enjoying scones. North American scones can be sort of round or pie, like slice shape, but traditionally they're round. Today we're working at the campfire, so we're actually going to make square scones because I'm just assuming that you don't have a round cookie cutter with you when you're traipsing through the woods, but you can make them whichever shape you like. Now, in England particularly, there is some debate about whether you put cream and then jam, but that's a madness we won't acknowledge. So for us it's going to be a lovely scone with butter, jam and cream. Yum. Well, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoy your scones in the woods. If you want the recipe, it is in the show notes below. And of course, if you liked what you saw, please follow us and subscribe and leave us a review. We really appreciate you. Bye.